What's up, you guys? My name's Amber. I'm CCS, the social media manager, and today I am working from home, obviously. So today we're going to be taking a look at the final presentations for the Eileen Fisher group. We followed them all the way from the kickoff in New York through to midterms, and now it's time for finals. So as a reminder, our color and materials design MFA students have put together a color materials palette based on the Eileen Fisher brand and future customers, and the fashion accessories design students have been working on a 5-piece collection, and each have come up with at least one piece realized fully. Let's check it out. So that was a quick look into our final presentations with our fashion accessory design and color and materials design Eileen Fisher sponsored research projects. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future CCS fun, and have a nice day.